Rome, Egypt, Sodom and Gomorrah, Babylon, system of worship.
In times,
we gonna liberate ourselves, come out of her, my people. Last days. Let's go.
Rome was burning, Sodom and Gomorrah was visited. Before the fall, the writings on the wall. Babylon, years later, here we are. I can't interpret the writings on the wall. The scene starting to look familiar as I look around. Pride go off before the fall, and that's what took them down. Spiritual Egypt, Sodom, Gomorrah, days of Noah, this Babylon, moments before the fall. There's a war going on outside, but in this banquet I see vanity. Look at the time, 11:59. The four horsemen are stampeding. I open the prophets and read it, writings on the wall. What's the meaning? Meanie, Tikal, Parson, Medes and Persians, rumors of war, head-on collision, no way to swerve it. Blue helmets, foreign insurgents. What's the verdict? Your days are numbered, your kingdom's divided. Ecclesiastes 1:9, it's gonna come a time. Recompenses for every crime, it's gonna be required. Till the bloodshed is avenged, the land is defiled. And they gon' see it when the Savior part the sky. Rome is on fire. Rome was burning, Sodom and Gomorrah was visited. Before the fall, the writings on the wall. Babylon,